Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to a new video. So today I'm going to be covering a couple of things here. First of all, let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart as usual. We've seen we bounced from this dip here from 5,100 more or less, or 5,150. And we've been going up since, but if we hide all these lines here, we can see the picture more clear, and we see the divergence of this uptrend. It's getting toppy, like you can see at the top, it's getting flat. So this usually means it cannot break this resistance, which is around 5,700. So it's having trouble breaking this. We might see a little bit of a pullback here just to impulse again and continue higher. That's how I see it. But yeah, it's clearly having problems breaking the 5,700. So until this one it's not broken and showing significant volume, we might be going sideways or going down a little bit here. That's what I can see as more probable for the very short term. Next, if we take a look at the market cap, same thing is happening. It's we're having trouble breaking the 170 billion mark, so it's getting toppy there. Let's see what happens. If we could break it and we see significant volume, then we're gonna go up, no problems, probably parabolic. But if we cannot break this, we might see another pullback soon. And another thing I wanted to show, many people seems to get this, but some people still don't get it. So I'm going to try to make it clear. It's about the altcoins. So it's not really important if an altcoin is going up in terms of dollars or not. What's important is that's going up in terms of Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin is going up in terms of dollars and Bitcoin is also going up against this specific altcoin, any altcoin, then it means that even if this altcoin is going up in terms of dollars, if you hold Bitcoin, you're going to be getting more value in terms of dollars than if you were holding that other altcoin. Even though the altcoin is going up in terms of dollars, if it's going down in terms of Bitcoin, you're going to get more value dollar if you hold Bitcoin. So hopefully this is clear. And now we wanted to show how many altcoins are actually outperforming Bitcoin. So to do that, we click here on the USD button and just change it to Bitcoin. And now we can organize this by change for the last 24 hours, and we will see at the top all the coins that are actually going up versus Bitcoin. So we can see always at the top of the list some crazy coins that are going up like 100, 200% in the last 24 hours. We know what that is. We know it goes up 100% or 200% or 1000% in 24 hours, and then it's going to retrace and go down in average 80%, and from there it's going to start slowly downtrending. We know how this works. So some of these coins, the ones that you can see the spike to exaggerate, like this one, this one, this one here, this one probably, like all the ones that you see the spike like this, you know they're going to be outside of this list tomorrow or the next day. But of course we will have others, but these are pump and dumps. It's not sustainable uptrends. It's not, they are not outperforming Bitcoin in a sustainable way, in a consistent way. Some of them are, I'm sure there's some, but not most of them. In any case, I looked at this list maybe a couple of hours ago, 3 hours ago, and I actually counted the coins that are above Bitcoin, so the coins that are actually outperforming Bitcoin in this list, and there were 24 coins. I'm not sure right now, but you see the idea. It's between 24 coins that are currently outperforming Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. So 24 coins out of 1,178 coins, that is only a 2% of the total altcoin market. Only 2% of the coins are outperforming Bitcoin, and most of them change. The name changes every day because it's a new pump and dump every day, a different one. So only 2% outperform Bitcoin, and I don't think maybe there's one or two that are actually outperforming Bitcoin in a sustainable and regular way. So do you think you're going to find these 2% of the coins, if you want to buy and make profit, more profit than if you were holding Bitcoin? Do you think you will scan the whole market and be able to find this 2% of the coins? I'll tell you the truth, you're not going to find it. By probability, it's very, very difficult. Now, I'm not saying that the trend cannot change and all of a sudden altcoins will bounce and start outperforming Bitcoin. Of course, it can happen anytime, maybe by the time I upload this video. But the general rule is you don't want to go against the trend. You just want to follow the trend. So as of right now, and for the last long period of time, actually, Bitcoin is the one that's outperforming almost everything, maybe not 2% of all the market, but 98% of the coins Bitcoin will outperform. So it's just safer to hold Bitcoin. And there's one exception, of course, which is BitConnect. Is the only one that it's actually outperforming Bitcoin in a sustainable way, just slowly but surely. If we see the trend here, in terms of dollars, it went up parabolic, but in terms of Bitcoin, you can see the trend is just nice, slow and up. So in general, BitConnect is the one to be holding as well. And I'm bringing it up because, not because I want to push it. I don't want to push it. You have plenty of channels on YouTube that are pushing BitConnect, and it's not my not my intention to push it, but I talk about it because I think it's a hot topic right now. It just came on the top 10 on the list recently, like last week or 2 weeks ago. It started escalating very fast, and I showed that in one of my recent videos. I actually joined the BitConnect. I bought some coins and I did a $1,000 loan. It's working fine, and I received an email from them. They're going to be holding a conference in Thailand. They're going to be releasing a debit card for BitConnect. I wanted to show this because I don't think BitConnect it's going to go away anytime soon for the reasons that I'm going to explain now. So if you go to the BitConnect roadmap, they have a lot going on. You know, they're very aggressive with marketing. And if you see here in the number 4, it says BitConnect Smart Card, development of a smart card for everyday utility. A smart BitConnect card, distribution to BitConnect coin community, and aggressive marketing campaign. So they are actually, this card has been developed already, and they're going to be introducing this card in the next conference, which is going to be held in Thailand, and I think it's going to be the 8th of November, but I could be wrong with this. But I know it's either at the end of this month or beginning of November. I think it's the 8th, but I'm not 100% sure, but I know it's soon. So I was actually looking at this news, and I saw the building where they are going to be hosting this conference. It's a conference center in Pattaya, Thailand, and it's a huge building. It can host up to 10,000 people. It's all luxury. They're gonna have shows. They're gonna have, like, it's huge. I mean, and it's gonna be, and this is gonna happen soon. So this is too big to go down right now or in the next year, in my view. I could be totally wrong, and they could shut down right now as I'm recording this video. But yeah, in probability, I don't think this is too big to go down anytime soon. The things that are coming up now, I think, in fact, I think that FOMO for BitConnect didn't come yet. When FOMO kicks in for BitConnect, the price is gonna skyrocket. That's what I can foresee for the short, medium term for BitConnect. But again, I could be completely wrong. Now, there's different ways to make money on BitConnect, as you probably all know. But the two best ways, that's what I'm doing. At least I'm 50-50 on that. It's 50% loans, because you get your interest back no matter what, whether the value of the coin goes up or not. You're gonna get your 1% interest every day, and that's good. I mean, I would take 1% interest anytime. Like that's a very good 1% interest in your investment daily. So you don't have to worry about the price of the coin going up or down. Now it's finding some resistance at $200. So who knows if it's going to be there for some time. Like we had a flat period here. If we look at the USD value, we had a flat period here for 2 or 3 months, like the coin was not going up. So you were not getting any percent of gains for a couple of months or 3. So if this happens, if you stake the coin but it's not going up in value, you're not making any money. But if you have loans, you're going to get your interest back whether the coin goes up or not. So it's more safe to have the loan. You're going to get your interest no matter what. And then the other 50% of the investment is staking. So if you stake your coins, I have just downloaded my core wallet for BitConnect on my computer, and I transferred 5 BitConnect coins to this wallet. So I just did this today. Now the coins have to be here for 15 days. If you mouse over this little icon here, it says not staking because you don't have mature coins. So it takes 15 days for the coins to be mature. So in 15 days, these coins will be ready to stake. And when you stake coins, you don't need a minimum amount. Any amount of coins that you have here in your local wallet, every month you're gonna get 8% in extra coins. So for any amount of coins you have, after every month, you're gonna be getting an 8% of extra BitConnect coins on your wallet. So staking coins will give you an 8% per month. Plus, if the coin goes up in value, so that it's added extra value added there. And then if you do loans, well, you're gonna get 1% return every single day. I have been getting paid every single day, no problems. The website works perfectly. It takes a second, like when I sent money from here, from my website wallet into my local wallet, it showed up instantly, not even 1 second. It was instant. I could see it here and it said unconfirmed, and it took less than a minute to be confirmed. I did 3 transactions, as you can see here. I tested first with 0.01 then I sent back the same amount to the website, and then I sent 5. So it took like literally instantly to show up, and then less than a minute, in few seconds it was already confirmed. So everything seems to work great, and whether this is a scam or not, I don't think they're going anywhere anytime soon. And for the time being, I'm going to be taking advantage of this. But of course, you know, do it at your own risk. I mean, I don't put any more than I'm willing to lose, so you should do the same. But with this being said, if you wanna do it now, I think when BitConnect breaks the 200 resistance, is gonna start going up like crazy. And in the meantime, it's good to get your 1% of interest back if you lend some money here. Guys, I'm gonna leave the video here. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.